channel. Today I take a live class on the square and square root. Okay, I think who are interested already check the post and ready to join the class. But please wait 2 minutes. When the other kids join, then I will start. First, please join fast. Please join fast.
देखो ना वाला प्लीज
तो कौन
देखो ना
First I tell what is square and square root. When I multiply a number with the same number, it is called square. Like us, suppose one number is 8. Okay? Then if I multiply 8 into 8 means 64. So I can tell 64 is the perfect square of number 8. Clear? One more time I tell. When we multiply a number with the same number, what is the result come? The product is a perfect square. Okay? Now I explain it another numbers. Now you do. Suppose the number is 50. Find the perfect square number. Perfect square number. You try, kids, you try first. After that I am telling. I give you 1 minute time to do it. Now, find it. 15 into 15. So, I can tell 225 is a perfect square number. Whose square it is? It is a perfect square of 15. So, how can I write? I can write in this way. 15 square equal to 225. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now I go to the next maths. Now, what is square root? Square root. First I tell what is the sign of the square root. It is a sign of the square root. Okay? When this sign is coming in the mass, you understand you should find the square root of that number. Now I write 36. 36 square root. So how can you do? First you do the prime factorization method. Okay? Now we can write in this way. 36 is equal to 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Means 2 square into 3 square. Means 2 into 3 whole square. Means 6 whole square. So what is the square root of 36? The square root of 36 is root over 36. Root over 6 whole square means 6. 6 is your answer. Okay? Clear? What is the difference between square and square root? Clear everybody? Square, just multiply. Square root, when it is 2 times coming, you take 1 times. Now you do another maths. One 96. Now you start to do 196. I give you 2 minutes time. You find out the square root of that number. Find out the square root. You can do the division method, but today I am practice only factorization method. You start to do 2. Everybody practice. Start to do alone. The answer is 14. Perfect square, the square root is the answer is 14. I give a trick. Look, when 2 come at the when the mass is coming in this way, find out the square root. And you look, this 2 come 2 times, so you write 1 times. 7 come 2 times, so you write 1 times. And 1, it is negligible, so your answer 2 into 7, it is 14. Okay? Don't miss it. When 2 times coming, then you take 1 times. Clear? I'm waiting. Please complete the maths. Now, I give a number. You check and tell me, is it a perfect square number or not? 1176. I give a number. You please check it and tell me, is it a perfect square number or not? You start to do by prime factorization method. Look, these two come 2 times. So we write in this way. 2 square. Wait. 7 come 2 times. We write 7 square. But look, this 2 and 3 it has no pair. Only one, single. So we tell it is not a perfect square. Because when it is a perfect square, all the digits come double. In this math, when we do the by prime factorization method, we check it only these 2 and 3 numbers. It is single. It has no pair. So, it is not a perfect square. Complete it. I am waiting 1 minute. You please complete it. One sentence. This line must write in the exam. Thus, 1176 cannot express as a product of pair of equal factors. At the time of mass, I am telling in the perfect square, all the number should come in the pairs form. In this 2 and 3, it is single. So it is not a perfect square. So when I write it is a perfect square, then you can write it is perfect square because we can express the number by the product within a pair of the equal factors. But in these cases, it can't express. This is coming in the single one. Clear? Okay? Please complete it. I check the message. What least number should be multiplied to get a perfect square. Number is 2156. Start to do by prime factorization method. Look, 2 comes 12 times, so we can write 2 square. 7 comes double times, we can write 7 square. Look, 11 it has no pair, only 1 times. So what is the question? What least number should be multiplied to get a perfect square? Means if we multiply 11 with this number, then we can get a perfect square number. Why it is a perfect square number? Because according to the rules, when we calculate the perfect square, come pairs. Okay? Clear? So, how can I write? We multiply by 11 to get perfect square number. Clear? Now, find out the new numbers. What is the new number? What is the new number? So, new number. What is our old one? 2 into 7. Okay? Okay? 11 come 1 time. So, you write in this way. Okay? Now, write 11. We multiply it by 11. So, we write 11 square. So, how can we write? 2 into 7 into 11 whole square. One 154 whole square. Clear? Now, so here is a number whose square is new number. This is the 154 is a new number. 154 square. Now you can do in this way. 154 into 154. So you calculate it. Otherwise you can calculate the old number means 2156. You can do in this way also. 2156 into 11. It is also right. Otherwise you can do in this way. It is also right. 23714. Last things I repeat one more time. From the previous one we can say 11 comes only one time. For that reason it is not a perfect square. So if we multiply the full number by 11, then it will become a perfect square. So we can multiply 11 and the numbers coming 154 whole square means 154. What is the new number? 154 into 154. You calculate in this way, otherwise 2156 into 11. You can do it in this way. Both are right. Now I go to the next one. One, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Look, all these are odd numbers. All these are odd numbers and sequence numbers. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First 6 odd numbers. You know what is the sum of this number? Without adding, how can you get? Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N equal to 6. N square equal to 6 square. It is 36. Clear? Everybody clear? Now I do this math in the different way. I give the answer and tell you how to make it. You do. I give 64. Write it as the sum of 8 odd numbers. Do it. 64. What is the answer? 8. 64, if you square root, you do it. What is the number? It is 8. Now you do it by the sum of 8 odd numbers. N equal to 8. So you do it. 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Look, 8, first 8 odd numbers come. Okay? So first you find out the n. N. How can you find out n? You do just root and find out the n and this one. Clear? I give you 1 minute time. You please wait. Check the message. Pythagoras triplet numbers. Find out Pythagoras triplet number. In the Pythagoras triplet numbers, we do 3 ways. 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. In this way, we find out the Pythagorean triplet number. 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Okay? Now, I give a number. The number is 12. Number is 12. Find out. How can you find out? 2m equal to 12. In the previous class, what I am telling, when it is coming in the multiply and change the sign, it is become the divide. M equal to 12 by 2, it is 6. Clear? It is 6. Then, what is the number? This is 2m. 2m means 2 into 6, 12. M square minus 1. M means 6. 6 square. Now first I write the formula. M square minus 1 means 6 square minus 1. 36 minus 1 means 35. Next. M square plus 1. 6 square plus 1. 36 plus 1. 37. So what's our answer? 12 is come from 2m. 35 it comes from m square minus 1. 37 is come from m square plus 1. Clear? Triplet means the answer comes 3 times. 3 times answer it comes. Okay? Please copy it. Complete the math. Complete it. Someone asked me the Pythagoras formula. I think is not do the yesterday's class properly. Yesterday I also tell one time. Okay, no problem. A square equal to L square plus B square. It is 90 degree. It is H. It is B. It is L. It is L. It is H. It is B. A square equal to L square plus B square. Okay? I rub it. Can I go to the next math? evaluate. 38 square whole square minus 37 whole square. Before starting the math, I tell a formula. Please listen it properly. Formula is a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. How can you get it? I do it one more time. A plus b multiply a minus b. A square plus ab plus minus ab plus minus b square. This one I cancel. What is the rest? A square minus b square. Now, from a square minus b square, we can write in this way, in the multiplication way, a plus b into a minus b. In this way, we can write. Clear? First, clear the formula. Otherwise, you can't do anything. Okay? Tell with me one more time. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a plus b into a minus b. Clear? Can I go to the math? I rub it. Now I start the maths. Here it is a. Here it is b. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, I write it. A plus b. A minus b. Clear? Anyone can tell what is the value of a? If you know, you please write in the chat box. A means 38. Okay. Very good. What is the value of b? It is 37. Then I write the sign. What is the sign here? Plus. I write plus sign. What is the value of b? 37. Bracket close. So again, bracket open. A 38 minus 37. We add it, get 75 minus, it is result is 1. 75 into 1, 75. It is the answer. Why I tell the formula? Listen, here it is 38 minus 37, so your a minus b get 1. But it always don't expect it your all time. It is coming 38 minus 37, but 35 minus 34 not comes in this way. Sometimes it is in a different way. So you know the formula. If a minus b come not 1, it is another number. If it comes 4 by 2 by anything, then you multiply it. I do the same time mass one more, so that you are, if there is any doubt, it is clear. Clear? Can I go to the next one? Now I give a mass where the a minus b not 1. Six square minus 4 square. I give it a small number so that you can do very easily. It is a, it is b. A square minus b square. First write the formula. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Put the value of a. A is 6. Very good. Plus sign. What is the value of b? It is 4. 4. A 6 minus minus B 4. 6 plus 4 10. 6 minus 4 2. 20. Look, here A minus B, the result is 2, not 1. I tell you, every time it's not expected that it is the A minus B always 1. No. It's maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, anything. So I give a small mass and do. It is 20. Now I check in the back process, is my mass is okay or not. 6 square means 36. Minus 4 square 16. 36 minus 16 20. So in this way my answer is 20 and the back calculation it is also 20. So it is right. When you do the math, please apply the back calculation also. Evaluate. What is the number? 310 whole square using process, using the formula A plus B whole square. First I tell what is the formula of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means A plus B into A plus B. We can write A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, A plus B whole square means A plus B to A plus B. We can write A square plus 2AB plus B square. I do it. A plus B, A plus B. Multiply it. A square plus AB plus AB plus B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. I explain it because I tell you learn this one. So sometimes it may be mistake. So I explain it. How can we get this number? The A plus, everybody tell with me, A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Clear? Have any questions? Please complete it. I will check the chat. Now I explain the mass using this formula. First I break this number 310 into two parts. First I tell you do in this way, 300 plus 10 whole square. Anybody asks me, why you write 300? Why not 309 plus 1? If anybody can write 309 plus 1 whole square, it is also right. It is also right. You can write 305 plus 5 whole square. It is also right. But why we write in this way? Because if we use a zero base number, then the calculation should be very easy. At the time of exam, We have very little time. So if we use the time properly, we can get full marks. Okay? For that reason, I take 300 plus 10, its whole square. Clear? Have any questions? If you have any questions, please write in the chat box. So, first I writing. Can anybody tell what is the value of A? Where is the A number? A is 300. What is the number of B? It is 10. Clear? So, according to the formula, what is the formula? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Clear? Now I write. A means 300. 300 square. Clear? Plus sign. 2. A means 300. Very good. B means 10. This dot is multiply sign. 10 plus 10 square. Clear? Have any questions? I tell it one more time. First I break the 310 into two parts. 300 plus 1. Why I take 300? Because it is easy for calculations. Okay? Now I put the values of this A plus B whole square. What is the formula? A square plus 2AB plus B square. 3 square plus 2 into A plus into B plus B square. Now we calculate it. Nine, 6, 1, 0, 0. Please, everybody calculate in your own style. Don't copy from the board because it is our practice class. Okay? Can I go to the next mass? Can I rub it? Have any questions? Okay. If no questions, please thumb sign in the chat box. One 96 whole square. Use the formula A minus B whole square. Using the formula A minus B whole square. What is the formula of A minus? First I explain the formula. A minus B whole square equal to A square. Here it is minus sign. So before 2 the sign should be minus. Minus 2AB plus B square. Clear? First I write in this way. I think it is easy for you. A minus B into A minus B. After that, it is I might make it by the multiply format. Because I'm telling for previous one time when what is a square? It is a number, just multiply the same number, it is called the perfect square. Now I multiply it, the A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now I tell how can it get A minus B into A minus B. You should do it because otherwise if you learn only this formula, sometimes you do the plus sign, Sometimes you do the minus sign, you get a big 0. Do it. A square plus minus minus AB plus minus AB minus plus B square. A square minus, this is minus AB minus plus AB 2AB. What is the sign? It is the sign is minus plus B square. Clear? A square minus 2AB plus B square. Clear? Now I shall go to the main maths. We use minus. So, we can do in this way. 200 minus 4 whole square. 200 minus 4, what is? 200 minus 4, 196. So, 196 we can do in this way. Because it is minus formula. So, we should write it minus format, not in plus format. If you write 190 plus 6, it is okay. But if the mass is, you use the formula a plus b whole square, then you can do it. But look at the mass, where they tell do the mass, use the formula a minus b. So we can't do this. We do in this way. In minus format, we should do it. Now here, a means 200, b means 4. Clear? What is the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. A means 200. I write it. 200 square minus 2. First write 2. A means 200. B means 4 plus 4 whole square. I put it dot. Dot means multiply sign. Okay? Now you do it. 200 into 200. You do. Look, just 2 minutes wait. Here there is a positive sign. Here there is a negative sign. Here there is a positive sign. So you don't mix it up. First you add the positive part. Means for 1000 add 16. For 1060 minus 0061. Three, 8, 4, 1, 6. Please complete the math. I check the chat. Can I write the maths? Very good. Complete the math on. Very good, my dear. 49 into 51. Evaluative. Okay? How can I do this one? It is AB form. 49, 51. Middle number is 50. Okay? Middle number is 50. If 50 minus 1, we can get 49. 50 plus 1, we can get 51. Okay? So, we can write in this way. 50 minus 1. 50 plus 1. A minus B. A minus B. A plus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. Listen better. It is a multiplication. So A plus B into A minus B. It is right. If anybody can write A minus B into A plus B, it is also right. But in general, what we are doing according to the formula, we tell A plus B to A minus B. Because it is, everybody will tell in this way. But in this math, look, 49 come first. If it is come 51, you can write 50 plus 1 and 50 minus 1. Well, look, it is 49. If you write 50 plus 1, then it is wrong. Because I asked, if here it is 49, how can I write 50 plus 1? So, for that reason, I write 50 minus 1 into 50 plus 1. Clear? No. A minus B into A plus B. So, what is the formula? A square. Here A is 50. So, I write 50 square. Clear? Minus B is 1. 1 square. Clear? Now, 50 square you do. 50 into 50 you do. Have any questions? If any questions, any doubt, please write in the chat box. Okay? Now I give last math. You do it. Then I complete the today's class. Okay, I do the previous math one more time. 49. I break it. 50 minus 1. 51. 50 plus 1. Why? According to the formula, A minus B into A plus B. Multiply it. A square minus B square. In the previous class, I tell it A plus B into A minus B. Now, anybody asks me, why you write A minus B and A plus B next? It is multiplication. So, A plus B first, A minus B second. It is right. A minus B first into A plus B. It is also right. Why I write A minus B? Because 49 is the first number. So, how can I write? It is minus, right? 50 minus 1 I should write here. Not 50 plus 1. So, I write 50 minus 1 and then I write 50 plus 1. Clear? 50 square minus 1 square. A minus B, A plus B. A means 50, B means 1. 2500 minus 1. 2499. Clear? Next math. It is the last math for today's class. Please do it aloud. After that, then check from the board. 94 into 106. I give a clue for everybody. First, you find the middle number. 94 where the 0 come. 94 next 0 number is 100. I give a clue. Okay? Now everybody start. I also do. After finishing, check the board. Who got the same number? Raise your hands. Who got the same number? Raise your hands. Write a thumb sign on the chat box. Please complete the math. Then I explain it one time and complete the class. 94. 100 minus 6. Clear? 106. 100 plus 6. Clear? We put the formula a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. A square means a means 100, b means 6. So I do it. A square means 1000 and 36. I just subtract it. And it is our answer. Okay? If you like my class, please write comment in my live classes. Please subscribe my channel so that I come very soon for new live class and clear all of your doubts, and you got a good, will get a good marks in the exam, and you learn properly so that you can explain everything to your friends also. Okay? Have any questions? Have any doubt? Tomorrow who have the exam, best wishes from me. Best of luck, my dear. Have anybody any doubt? Okay, bye everybody. Thanking for everybody who joined in my class. Thanks, bye.